Phillips, Max Craig. Debut in Super Rugby Pacific for Max. Jeffrey Tumangarella moves to 17. Massimo DeLutis, a late call-up in 18. Josh Canham, Luke Garnsalakai, starting team. It's been a frustrating year for him in and out of the team. Captain this week for the Fijian Drua is Masaki Donge with 3 on his back. They're hoping it's third time lucky at Suva for this season. Whistle goes, and it is the Reds getting us underway. Karolevu, safe take of the kickoff on the 22. Pretty much right in front, so they can chance their arm a bit here if they need to. Asoa Tuwai. That's the 22 for Wonga.
Still playing advantage, Blue.
Still playing advantage. Out the back, Armstrong with Buller, Tongi Atama, Level, now Rakuro for the corner, and it is over! Try time, Fijian Drua, Taniela Rakuro, they put it through the hands and they come up with the first 5 points of the day.
How good was that from the Fijian Drua? And I feel like that's coming off the back of their defence, just a nice brick wall, and they're just doing the simple things well, as you said before, Nems.
Uru, a little show and go. No way through there for Lockie Anderson. Asiata again. Good defence from Silasila. Lachlan Phillips, short ball, and Uru, beautiful ball! And away they go, the Queensland Reds. The cover comes, can he get it down? Yes, he can. Try time. Queensland Reds, they've hit back immediately. Oh, that was a magic pass from Uru to Jock Campbell, and it's locked up at 5-all. Harry McLaughlin Phillips from a handy position, and he sends it down the middle. Falling awkwardly right on halfway. Wide ball, Wonga stepping, got away from 1, 2. Antonio Wonga pins the ears back. Oh, he should have backed himself. He seemed to sort of just slow up a little bit, but Kuravoli is there. He gets it out now, and it's over. Yes, it's Masaki Donge, who has got his second try in Super Rugby Pacific. Armstrong with Buller. Tongi Atama, like all good hookers, he's out on the left wing. Bode.
Number 25.
Advantage being played.
25. He's got his arm up, so it's fine. Play advantage.
The ball roll, Celestino. Karolevu got away from 1 and lost his footing.
Pulled away.
Rakuro is going to have to take the tackle. Bravoli, short side they go. Nothing happening, but Wonga says, okay, well, I'll make something happen. Try time, Fijian Drua. This man is something special at the moment. Antonio Wonga turns nothing into something.
Sometimes it's always good to put a bit of doubt in the opposition's mind on what you want to do, but it looks like they'll just stay down here.
Asiata goes long and finds Smith. And they've got a bit of forward momentum. It stops now. They go again through Richie Asiata. Bit of a gap opened up. And they charge towards the line, claiming the try. Try it is! And another 5-pointer for Richie Asiata.
The Reds did so well there just to keep that more together. Some really good defensive efforts from the Drua, just trying to fly in there, create, especially getting the little things right around his throws.
McLaughlin, Phillips, flags go up, it's a good conversion. McLaughlin Phillips having a run on his own. Found some space as well. Campbell.
Yeah, 13. I agree. Offside 13.
Getting the pass away. And they're lining up out wide, and Uru is just going to put it down ever so simply. No one around him. And the Fijian-born Uru scores another one against the Drua. That's his second for the season. One final crack in this first half. Salawa, Valentini, Robert Tamanda went without it. It's on the ground, it's loose, and it's knocked on.
Knocked on, and it's half time.
And so that will do us for the first 40 in Suva. So as the referee, we're underway in the second half. Just 4 points in it. Reds leading. And this one will go into touch. And it came off one of the Reds players. This player. Now they're being told to use it. And Tongiatama has to get it out to the midfield. Bowl.
Ball's available.
Salawa around the corner. Reds were waiting.
Please don't trip over him.
Tongiatama goes low. Kuravoli. Puai ducked under one. Good carry from the youngster. Fadivani reaches out, slams it down, and it's a try to the Fijian Drua. Oh, what a reach.
Just the start they needed in the second half. All started back from that kick-off.
Philip Basalala. Good two-handed take. Down it goes. Elia. Vada can't find a way through. Head down from the Calavati. Basalala in 22. Volley.
Available.
Pick and go. 2-1 is over. All about pressure. And Asawa Tuwai gets his first try in Super Rugby Pacific. Oh, Kenham doing a good job. He's only a metre out. Real pressure on the Drua.
Ball's available.
There's space out to the right. And that's, they thought they were heading that way, but Liner took the direct route. Fraser McWright having a pick and go.
High most, play advantage.
Advantage being played here, so they can rumble for as long as they like. Thomas throws the dummy.
Back, get back.
Tumungarallen is over. Jeffrey Tumungarallen, after all that, he finds a way through, dots it down, and the Reds narrow the gap again.
And they had that advantage as they back up, and as you can see, it was just pick and go.
Craig finds Smith. They set it up. They set it up nicely. Edging towards the talk, edging towards regaining the lead, and yes, they are over! And it is a magical moment for the try scorer. Okuro, he kicks long. Teniela to Okuro, who wants it? It's been picked up by Smoke and Joe Tamani, and the Drua are on the charge. They go wide. It's about 4 on 2. They don't deliver. They take the direct route, and it's still there for the Drua. The Reds desperate to hold on for their first ever win on Fiji soil. It spits out, but no, it's a penalty. And he's going to go to the pocket. The Reds are going to be down a man for the last minute or so. Fraser McWright got the yellow card. So it's now or never for the Drua. Akanavani, 4 out. Uru steals it, but then it goes loose, and it's been picked up by the Drua. They're over! They've scored the winner. The Fijian Drua have scored. It was mayhem in the end.
Who has come up with it?
Drop goal attempt from Armstrong Ravula, and he's got it.
What a finish for the Fijian Drua. Just Bitsu, how good was he when he came on to be able to score that try?